So it's currently 6 a.m. now. I actually woke up at 5 this morning, but I'm out here because I want to show y'all the aftermath of yesterday's strong, severe storm that rolled through. Here's the giant branch that fell on the power lines and took the power out. They came and cut it up, and the power's been restored and all that. So I'm grateful for that. But yeah, this is the damage. That's where the branch snapped from. More damage there. You even got a couple branches all the way over there. Crazy, isn't it?